This is Chapter 4, Chemical Bonding and Molecular Geometry. Hey, this chapter does not have math. Not much anyways. Has the tiniest touch of math, maybe. And this chapter is all about pictures, understanding how shapes look of the different molecules, understanding how we get to the shapes. So, like usual, we have a reference page. Now, this reference page is here because it's got the names of many of the elements on this page. And it also has this thing in yellow. This is a polyatomic ion chart. Both of these things will help you with your naming. As you can see, these are the names of the different polyatomic ions. It has a charge. So there are certain groups of elements that together have a certain name. Now, we're not actually starting this chapter talking about naming. It will come up before too long. We're going to start looking at bonding because it helps with the names. If you know where the atoms and the elements are on the chart, it helps. So we're going to look at two different kinds of bonding, and then we're going to get into naming. And then we'll get into shapes. So let's get started. Just remember, this is on the first page if you need the help. Actually, let me also mention this. This element right here is one of the most commonly misspelled elements because the American spelling is different. So pay attention to that one. This is also one of the most commonly misspelled elements. See the U and the O? Also, definitely see where the CH is used, not just a C. And then there's elements that are easily confused. So this element right here is easily confused with this one, manganese and magnesium. And as far as all of the names, notice that every name is lowercase. That's important. So that will be coming back up. All right, let's move on.